channel, and today I have a very interesting video for you guys. So I did try this new product on my face today, and pretty much like it's from like a different brand and what's new in Sephora as well. So I came up with this look. It's like kind of green with the gold shimmer in the middle. It's like super kind of fall season, and like kind of like I really love that spotlight effect in the middle and in the corner. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this makeup look and what products I use in this video, please keep on watching. Hi everyone, and we're gonna get started. I actually already did prime my eyelid with the Pure Louis base, and I pretty much just like not gonna set it, but I'm just gonna let it almost like a little sticky and tacky a little bit so the shadow can stick on better. I don't exactly know what kind of eye look I'm going for today, so maybe some green, I think, because I've been really into like kind of green and yellow color. I'm gonna be using this green right here as my transition color. I think it's gonna be more like a fun look, not the most variable, but it's time to try something new. And I'm gonna be borrow this beautiful yellow color from the Huda Beauty TOPAZ Obsessions, like this yellow right here above the green color. I'm gonna be using the 441, same thing right above that color. I'm gonna go back in with that MORPHE palette and go back with that same color. It's called the Stroke of Luck. So the next color I'm gonna be using the Express Yourself. It's this color right here. Okay, next I'm gonna be using this green right here. Okay, so that's right there. So next I'm gonna use this lid, beautiful colors, one right here. It has like a reflex green. Let me share it to you guys. It's a little chalky when you swatch, but it's like really beautiful. Let's see. It has like a reflex of green color. I think it's like super pretty. So I'm gonna go finish off this eye right here, and I will be back with the lashes. So this is what the eye looks like. I think they're super pretty. I really love the green and then the like a gold shimmers in the middle. I think it's really cute. Next we're gonna move on to the face. I don't really have anything new, but I'm probably gonna show you guys the new Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder under eyes and face. Mine is in the shade I think from fair to medium or something. I got this from Nordstrom. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. Ooh, look at this. The packaging is so cute and luxurious looking. So I'm gonna be using this one. So pretty much the rest I'm gonna be like fast forward, then I'll come back with the powder. Okay, and I already did my foundation, contour, and concealer. Now I'm gonna be using the powder from the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder under eyes and face. Packaging is so pretty. Oh, it comes with the thing that I like to, where you like twist to close and twist the other side to open. Oh, you guys, this thing smells like old Play-Doh. like old paints or like old like something. It doesn't smell good. That's weird. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna tap it on the cap like this. I'm gonna use my Morphe sponge to use it to set my under eyes. It's really weird. This powder is not like a full coverage. It has the like a radiance kind of things to it. I think they have like 3 different color. They have the one for like really fair skin and one for like a dark skin. I would say like medium to tan. I wouldn't say dark. Okay. Definitely give me the like the brightening that I like as well. And it's like made my under eyes look really radiant, which is like really nice. So it's not like super duper full coverage. I think it's more like an everyday type of like powder. And the powder texture of this is like really soft, like super soft. I'm gonna do the flashback test as well. So I'm gonna like take a picture of my phone with the flash. So, cause this thing have like a really soft kind of texture to it. It kind of scared me. I have like really fine shimmers in there to make your face look really radiant. But the only thing I don't like about it is probably the smell. The smell is very strong. It just like, what is that smell? This is weird. It doesn't smell good at all. Okay, yeah, anywho, right? I'm gonna use this also new from Hourglass. This one is also the limited editions. This one is the Ambient Light Edit Unlock palette, I guess. So it comes with like 2 different powder, bronzer, 2 blushes, and 1 highlighter. So I'm gonna using the bronzer shade. It's have like a lot of shimmer and like radiance in there. So we're gonna take in there. I like to use this brush from Anastasia to use for my contour because I feel like it gives me such a like precise line. And plus it's like super fluffy. I like to split my contour, like my bronzers around, because I don't like to just like for that like my cheekbone, because my face is like, I have like a big cheeks on my right side and the double chin. Okay, I'm gonna dust up the powder a little bit, even though it's pretty much absorbed right in my skin since the first time, but we're gonna just like blend everything together. Everything looking good right now. And for the blush, I'm gonna be using this tool together to mix them. This is what color right there. I really like that. Ooh, I think it looks super pretty. Okay, and next I'm gonna be using this new highlighter I've been dying to try. It's actually just arrived today. That's pretty much what like I inspired to do this video. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Trio of Illuminating Highlighter. It's like super tiny, and this thing is like $59. God dang. But the packaging though, I mean, can't go wrong with the Charlotte Tilbury packaging. They always make it the best. And you have like the name of this 3 different highlighter in the back. But first I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna be using this color together, the original and the darker shade. hello. Oh my god. There's not like a large shimmer. It's like super fine and super creamy. Like, look at that shine. Wow. Okay. Oh my god. Holy crap. The highlighter is just like so pretty. Okay, let's go finish up my bottom lashes. I'm gonna turn this side and like this and do the mascara, and we'll be right back with the part of my lips. Alright guys, so I already did my bottom lash. I threw on some mascara, and also I popped that yellow gold from the MCGRATH Mothership on the inner corner. It's like a really nice pop of that one. It's like super pretty. So I think we're gonna go for a dark brown lip. So let's see if I have like a dark brown, like a lip liner or something. Okay everyone, and this is the finished look. I think it looks super pretty, super fall. It's pretty much like not what I expected to be. I was actually thinking about the half cut crease, but in my mind I was like, I already did on the Instagram, which is, if you guys didn't really get to check out my Instagram, you guys should do, because I post daily basically. But definitely the choice of the lips, you guys can change to like a different color. It could be a peachy nude, pink, darker brown, red, orange. It really doesn't matter. But I think this color to look really good with the eye look. Just kind of complement each other really well. And for the products I use in this video, I love them all, except one thing that I don't love is the Charlotte Tilbury powder. The only thing I don't like, because of the smell, not the texture, not the quality of it. I think it looks very pretty. It makes my face really like a kind of like glowy and dewy. It's not like a heavy kind of like a setting powder, but the smell of this is really bad. It's like, it smells like old plastic or like old Play-Doh or something like that, which is not a good smell. I'm just letting you know, for a really expensive powder. I feel like they should really adjust the smell or get rid of it at all. Anyway, for other stuff that I showed you guys today, I love them all, especially the highlighting palette. That's really surprised me, because I didn't really thought it's gonna be like this, like beaming like up to the goth like this, but it looks very pretty. And if you guys would like to see more of makeup tutorial, please don't forget to leave me a comment what kind of look you guys would like to see next, and what products you want me to bring it back to the video. Thank you so much you guys for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.